Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain How to Play in His Arms by Miranda Lambert. This beautiful song is perfect for acoustic guitar. To get started, you'll want to place a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. The primary chords you'll be using are C, F, and G. These 3 chords form the backbone of the entire song, so focus on making your changes between them fluid and clear. Once you're comfortable with the chord changes, let's talk about the strumming pattern. A common and effective pattern for this song is down, down, up, down, up. Focus on keeping your strumming hand relaxed and consistent. The song has a moderate tempo of about 99 beats per minute, so practicing with a metronome will greatly help you lock into that rhythm and keep a steady pace throughout. Now, let's look at the song's structure. In His Arms typically follows a pattern of intro, verse, chorus, and a bridge section. Each part uses variations of the C, F, and G chords. Practice transitioning smoothly between these sections, ensuring your chord changes align with the lyrics and melody. Listening closely to the original recording will help you understand the nuances and overall flow of the song. To truly master In His Arms, consistent practice is key. Try to dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to working on the song. Consider adding a touch of fingerpicking, especially for the intro and verse sections, to mimic the original recording's delicate feel. Finally, don't forget to sing along. This will not only improve your vocal performance, but also help you internalize the rhythm and timing of your guitar playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.